Okay, so coming along, we've got all these pieces fitted together. Some of the joins are a bit rough. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to carve a few wee wooden nails. Use copper, but don't have any copper. Just put in some real fine little nails. Considering gluing it. I think I might actually glue it, but nonetheless I'm going to set up the wooden nails, not put them in. Set them up, think about setting up the glue. Little things like trimming that, taking off some of these markings, rounding off some of these edges. And of course, now that we've spent all this time tottering around, let's just see how she sits in the boat. So, there she goes, she sits in the boat like that. Got to try sitting in the boat. Check for foot clearance. The pedals are in the normal position, my feet don't touch it. That's good. Before you ask, I had that kayak properly supported. That's sitting in it. It's got a large flat surface area of plywood sitting on the floor. I wouldn't want to rock backwards and forwards in it like that, but she's all good. Quite a strong boat. Alright, here we go. Now for the nails, I often make nails out of stuff like this. I always keep trying to crop blades, at least the ones I go to work with, in a sheath. They can be quite hazardous little things. Now, this isn't the strongest wood to make nails out of, but it certainly is pretty easy. And it jams up the holes real good. Even though I'm going to use some hecka strong glue, I do like the old mechanical connection. I guess I'm a bit of a romantic when it comes to construction. I've got my eyes in the past. I mean, these things, tiny little wooden pins, they seem really flimsy, and of course they are really flimsy, but once they're in place, or I can snap it like that, but can I, if I grab it here and here, like right next to each other, yeah, won't shear. So I'm going to put one in here, none there, none there. I want to maintain the structural integrity of that thing. One in there, one in there. Just to me to distance these. Yeah, they're about the same. Do that one there about the same. Nice having bands practice at the house. Saves having to put on the radio. Gee, the temptation is just to go for a bit of a harder wood, drill those holes out a little bit bigger, just put in some slightly more decent sized wooden nails, maybe actually one here and one here, never mind about gluing it, it'll just be glued when it gets fixed in. Where's our mast bottom? Oh, look at that, she's a wee bit tight. Good. Bit of fore and aft play, but that won't amount to nothing once she's in place. And we'll just make her easier to step. Now I had in mind, I really want to get those pins in actually, so it's in a completed state. I don't really think it needs glue. Once it's got the pins, it'll be strong as heck. Let's use the same wood for the pins, for a change. Just for a change. So that means I'm going to have to drill them holes out a bit bigger. There's enough beef in the wood that I'm working with, that should be just fine. Yeah, this is looks like it'll make good nails. This nail's had a nail through it. So let's see what's our. I think aesthetically it would have looked nicer with the wee cedar nails, because you get the change of colour there. But I'm not really interested in that. I mean, obviously I am, but not to that degree. I'm more about the solidity. Here I don't have a wee reamer. I kind of got a reamer in that that scoop chisel type bit. It's only of a certain size, and I've already gone smaller. See how this looks. The old hold the work up with the bit beside it and decide if your bit's too big for the work or not. Technique, the bit's fine. Borderline. So that'll be the thickness at the top of the hole. So I'm not going to go in all the way with this one. Put spray paint on the bit to have a reference point. intermediary. So actually want to get the full. I might be able to do a bit of a twist ream. Alright. Bring them out with that twisting technique until the small bit is making a hole as big as the outside hole. Nice and uniform. Now let's see how that looks with our peg. It's too big. Should be consistent and call it a nail. Should actually split this before I do this, and I'll get more nails out of my material. How long are we doing them? That's plenty long. That's the thickness at the top. Doesn't hurt if they get a bit spindly at the bottom. Just helps them go in easier. Leave it of the old loose 40 grit, good old dumpster paper. So that's my basic wooden nail technique. Takes a minute, but oh yeah, we got it going in a little bit slightly too fat still at the outside. I'm taking extra care with these because I don't want them to fail. Of course, if they do fail, the advantage of wooden nails is that with the most inexpensive drill bit you've got, you can drill them out. Right, that's the one for the there we go. One down. Yeah, I'm going to split this up. Good draw knife this. As often happens with these, standard kind of deteriorates quickly. That's too small. I'm not using that. I don't want to cut it off and make it into the next one because that would be a bit of a waste. It's still a good wooden nail and I will use it for something. So if I look at my grain, I've got some funky stuff going on here. Just going to give that a big old Rooney. So now I've got a double ender. Square. I don't actually want too much by way of voids in this. This kind of wood's quite forgiving of voids in a marine environment, but nonetheless, the less care and oiling and what have you it's going to need, the better. There we are. Quick roundy with the old dumpster floaty grip. It's not round. It'll do. Heck, this just makes real nice nails. You can pound them harder than you can the others. This should not be forgot. Next please. Now if I'm really clever, of course, which I'm not, I would have made a nail making machine to deprive me of all my fun making nails. Speed up the process, allow me to use wooden nails more often, which are of course more durable than steel nails. Also cheaper, which isn't for most people a consideration with nails, but I don't see why not. Heck. Stay tuned, kids.